Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to apply the hosting a coupon code using the link, without typing anything. All you have to do is click the hosting a coupon code link in the video description. It will open the hosting a website directly. By using this special link, you'll unlock an extra 20% off discount on every hosting plan, including web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and agency hosting. For the demo, I'm selecting web hosting. Here you can clearly see the hosting a discount applied. But that's not the final offer. Because you used the link from the description, you'll automatically receive an additional 20% discount. If you don't click the link, you only get the regular hosting a discount. So definitely use the link to save more. Now scroll and review the hosting plans. It also shows the most popular one, so you can decide easily which plan suits your needs. Once you decide, tap on Choose Plan. You'll now reach the order summary page. Select the billing period carefully. This step matters a lot because Hostinger doesn't provide discounts on renewals. Choosing a longer period will help you save maximum money. In the order summary section, you will notice referral discount 20%. This comes from my link. Click Continue. Use a fresh email address and set up your password. You'll then be directed to the payment page. Complete the payment, and you'll instantly receive a confirmation email. Done. You've successfully claimed the Hostinger deal using the Hostinger coupon code link. It's super easy and takes less than 2 minutes. And, after purchasing your web hosting, the very next step is to set up your hosting plan. Just go to the home section of your Age panel, find your new hosting order, and click the Setup button to start the onboarding process. This will prepare your hosting environment so you can start building or migrating your website. I also attached the demo video link to set up your website. If you want, please check it. Bye bye, see you in the next video.